What's happening? It's Johnny Snow back in the building. And welcome to Parts List. This is a show where I take one of my guns and then I tell you where I got all the parts. And today we're gonna do Smith & Wesson SD40. Smith & Wesson SD40. All right, this is my SD40. All right, we're gonna take a look at everything I done to this gun. Let's go ahead and get a better look. All right, so this is my SD40, and this is not the VE. This is just SD40. This is not the value edition. At least that's what I think the VE stand for. But this one right here, matter of fact, hold on. Let you see that she is empty. This one right here is just a SD40, and I am not sure what the difference is between these two guns, between those two guns. Yeah, but I do know both of them had a trigger on it that sucks. So what I did with this one is I put the Apex trigger system on here. So I have the trigger and I have the springs all in there. I have a video on my channel showing where all the springs were replaced and the trigger was replaced. So definitely go on the channel and check that out. And changed out the base plate and I changed out the back plate. And I got both of these from NDZ. NDZ Performance. NDZ Performance. All right. So you can go get that from there, and this stuff don't cost that much. You know what I'm saying? It does a little, it adds a little flair to the gun, adds a little flair. And I got the handle it grips. And there's a video of me installing the handle it grips on the channel. But I got the handle it grips. I ordered the handle it grips from Amazon. And you know, you can find that on Amazon real easily. And this has completely changed this gun. The grip is better. Everything is better with the trigger. And it is something that I would highly, highly, highly recommend you doing. Now, this gun is actually fun to shoot. It's actually a pretty good gun. I would definitely give it that. And now we have one more thing that I've done to this gun. All right, so this is the MCK, all right, micro conversion kit. And this is for the SD40. All right, let me show you how you convert your gun. You have grooves on the inside of this that match up to the grooves there. Let's see if you can see that. See the grooves, see the grooves. So put it in and you slide it into the grooves. Then you hear a click, click, boom. And what you do after that, you push this down. Oh, I'm sorry. You push that down so let me show you again. See the two red dots on the side? You push that button down and then let that back up, and that locks the gun in there. You see the red dots that show that your weapon has been locked in, and now you can charge it right here, and they still have the slide release right there. So now you have converted your Smith & Wesson SD40 into this. All right, and everything that's on here you can get from MCK. I got the laser that's on the front from MCK, the thumb rest from MCK. The sights are from MCK. You know, mck.com. And then this is a door breacher, what they call it, you know, window breaker, or I don't know. It looked cool, so I got it. And this also came from MCK. You know, so there you have it. That is everything that I've done to this weapon, and everywhere you can go get the parts. It's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. You know, the SD40. Well, I was kind of sour on it because of the trigger, but now that the trigger has been replaced, I like it. I like it. So there you have it, the SD40 with the MCK. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe so you can follow the journey that I take all of these weapons on. And make sure you hit them notifications so you'll know every time I put out a video. All right, Johnny Snow up out of here.